Yeah, man. Broken back, but still back up here. No. Broken back riding at the waterfall. Broken backs from working too many years. Now it's time to play with a broken back. That's what she said. Whoever she is, that's what she said. Alright, now try and get this fucker out of here. Excuse me. Now's when I have to master the reverse. Huh? Yeah. That's right. Huh?
Coming down?
Yeah, backwards. Yeah, them brakes were squeaky when I was first behind you, the fronts, and I finally got all the rust off. You heard you. Yeah, I won't hit you. I always ride the back, and I don't hit. But if I'm losing, you'll hear me. I'll tell you. I'll let you know. I'll say, duck! Look, oh, I'm losing. That way you can, because my reaction times are so quick, I can send you the message quick. Like, duck! I wonder if you can see that waterfall back there. Peace in the woods with a finger hole in the glove. Peace, love, and a hole in the glove. No.
What are y'all peckerheads doing?
Just what the other day said. Yep. Now you know why the Bansies live on Jeter Mountain. All this. Yeah, all this stuff to hide up in and carry on and.
Oh, it's fun.
I'm